Born from passion, sculpted by hands that define British luxury. This is the Black Rose, a one-of-one creation, merging the soul of craftsmanship with the future of design. Each line flows like poetry, a story told in metal and light. Introducing a world's first Helen 3D printed solid rose gold, delicately placed by Mulliner artisans. Precision forged, performance inspired allure. Wheels that command respect.
A grand tourer that blends legacy with unbridled power. Over 210 grams of hallmarked 18-karat rose gold, core, a touch of royalty at every fingertip.
Innovation meets tradition fared, crafted with timeless devotion.
Materials chosen not just to impress, but to inspire. A 740 horsepower W12 engine, the last of its kind, now immortalized. Every curve of the road, a canvas for elegance in motion.
Inspired by the beauty of the rose, reborn through engineering perfection.